Well, good morning, guys. Just printing myself another quick release camera bracket for my tripod. In fact, I already did one. That's for my Miranda tripod, and that one is for that tripod. My Samsung Galaxy A51 5G just clips straight in there. For demonstration purposes, I've pinched Nanny's phone, which is the same as mine. So this is the new one for the Miranda tripod, which has a slightly different size plate to the other one. A little bit tight at the moment. You can see the black marks where it's rubbing as it goes in, but that'll wear in and that should be fine. The other bracket is for this tripod or the one upstairs next to my 3D printer. So it's identical to that one, although I haven't put the wind protectors on it yet. But it would fit straight in. Oh, can I do this with one hand? Yeah, I can do that with one hand. Yeah, be the same as that one, I suppose. Take that out of there. Put that one in. Like that. Get that phone. Right, just had a call coming on Nanny's phone, so I had to stop filming. Right, so that just clips in there, so that's the new one. So that works. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.